Open your PowerPoint presentation and insert a circle from your shapes. Select circle, but before then, go to your home, go to your layout and make a blank layout. Then insert a circle like this. Then duplicate the circle, Ctrl D, and reduce the duplicated circle and position it like this. Then insert a rectangle, draw it such that it cuts the two circles in half. Now listen, select the first circle, the bigger circle, hold on your shift key, select the small circle, select the rectangle, go to your format shape, go to match shapes and select subtract. Then you have this shape. Then you format it just like this. I give it a red color, giving it a red color. I don't know, however color, whichever color you want, anyhow you want it. Then insert your circle just like you have seen, and also try to format the background. So I'm formatting my background. I think this background is okay for me. Then I'm selecting the circle, changing it to white, and I'm duplicating it. I duplicated it, make it rotate 180 degree. Then I give it different color, just like you can see. Give it a different color, just like you can see. Then come in with your text. Come in with your text. If you have any question concerning this, the comment section is open for you, and I will gladly answer your questions. Go in with your text, just like you're seeing this. I decided to put the first, and I formatted it with my favorite format principle, which is my area black. I bolden it, increase the font a bit, and I repeat it across the shapes. Then after that, select your icon and input your icon. Put your icon just like you can see. After insert your icon, then make your description. Make the description for the four shapes just like you can see. Then select the first shape we made, go to your animation and select wipe. You select a wipe. As you can see the way it's wiping, then you change the effect from left to right. Then you change the start on click. Do that for the rest. But for the rest, the green, the brown and the yellow, make sure you make it after previous. After which you select all the circles. You select all the circles and go to your animation still, do more entrance animation and select spinner. See, as you can see, then just tap on the F5 and see what you have done. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the notification button so that you can be the first to get our content when it is dropped.